MathCast 2, Intended Audience, Grade 3, Module 5, Topic B, Lesson 6, Content or Learning Objective. Be able to understand non-unit fractions, Lesson 1, Whole from Unit Fractions. Created by Maria Picanti. Okay, so I have vocab for you. Strip diagrams use lengths of rectangular strips to represent quantities. Unit fraction, an amount of 1 over b over whole if b copies and if joined are the same size as a whole. Fraction. A over b over whole is formed by a parts or copies of the parts, each size 1 over b of the whole. Numerator tells us number of the parts. Denominator tells us how many parts are in one whole. Okay, and then I have an example to show you what a strip diagram looks like. So in this example, there's 3 parts and 18 goldfish in each part. So altogether, it will equal 54 goldfish. Now we're going to try our own and draw our own strip diagram. So we have 5 parts and 12 cookies in each part. And 5 times 12 equals 60. So we know that. So now we're going to draw what we think a strip diagram is. So right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're just going to highlight it, color it in. And then we're going to put 12 in each box so we know what it represents. 60 cookies altogether. And then, okay, so this is the next example. Complete the number sentence, estimate to equally partition each strip, write the unit fraction inside each unit, and shade the answer. Okay, so their sample is 2/3. So they have 2 shaded in and then 3 boxes altogether, and within each is 1/3. Okay, in this, so using our definition of a fraction, this would be 2 parts, each size of 1/3 of the whole. So now we're going to try 3/4. So that means 3/4 is 3 parts, each size 1/4 of the whole. So we're going to show that there is 3 colored in right here. And there is 4 boxes altogether, so it equals 3/4. And now 3/7. This would be 3 parts, each size 1/7 of the whole. So there's 3 colored in, each size 1/7, and 7 boxes altogether, and it equals 3/7. The next example is fill in a chart for these samples, and the sample they gave us was a circle with 3 shaded in, and total number of equal parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then total number of shaded parts, which is the yellow, 3. The unit fraction of it would be 1/4, and then the fraction shaded is going to be 3/4. Okay, so altogether is 9. And then total number of shaded parts in this one is going to be 2, 4, 5. That's 5. Okay, the unit fraction would be 1/9. And then the fraction shaded would be 5/9. Okay, so the next one. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 altogether. And then total number of shaded equal parts. So there's the 1, 2, and 3. So that's going to be 3. And then the unit fraction would be 1/7. And then a fraction shaded would be 3/7. So the total number of shaded equal parts can represent the numerator, which is the top. And the total number of equal parts could represent the denominator. Thanks for watching MathCast 2 by Maria Picanti.